Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
बाहेर सरलो रॉयकडे रॉयच्यान भायर सरलो गलचितान गेलो गलचितान 16 भुरगे येयले रोल हांगरकराचे म्हाका मारलो 4 जाणां भितरले एकल्या कडेन नक्कलाची रिंग आहली ती फाटसून कोणी माझ्या नाकार मारली नाक मोडला माझे सायडीच्या दोळ्याक अशी हाड मोडला थंयच्यान म्हाका किडनॅप केलो आनी रॉयच्या घरा हाडूंक लागले रॉय तांकां मदीं मेवलो मागीर रस्त्यार आमकां हाडयलो रॉयक रोडान मारलो आमच्या रोडान पांय मोडलो आनी म्हाका गाडयेचो भायर सरोंक दिवना म्हाका पयस व्हरोन सोडला मातसो
ती एके प्रॉपर्टीन गेला तेच्या मनशाक किडनॅप केला तेका घर दाखोवंक लायला कितें फोनाचेर आनी कितें सांगून आनी हांगा येवन तेका अटॅक केला तेजे तोकले दांडो मारता आसतना तेच्या भुरग्यांक पावोवंक लागलो नाल्यार तो ऑलरेडी मरपाचो तो पयलोच अनकॉन्शियस जालो अनकॉन्शियस जाल्या उपरांत दांडो मारूंक सोदता सो वॉट इज दीस तुका जितो मारपाकूच येयलेले पूण कित्याक लागून ह्यो पळय तो झगडटालो आमच्या बसत कालांगुटच्या बसत दॅट इज वन केस बट आय बिलीव देर मायट बी अ बिगर कॉन्स्पिरसी वेर Michael owes money to Roy and he's trying to finish him not to pay the money. I think police should investigate this angle also. No attempt to murder has been put and they are trying to protect Michael Lobo. The victim himself has given the name. At least they should do the investigation. I feel besides this, what they are trying to do, there might be a land deal involved in this. Because land sharks, as I said, Michael Lobo is the godfather of this land mafia. I urge the chief minister, who is the home minister, to kindly take action.
In no way I am connected to this incident. Whoever is trying to implicate me is for political reason. Let the police investigate. And whoever is saying I owe money to Roy, let them come to me and show me where is that land I have sold, bought any land from Roy or anybody like that. Elections are coming close by. And this is nothing but to misguide the people of Calangute constituency that Michael Lobo is involved in some fights, that also in Anjuna, and in my direction he is being hit. This is all wrong. And let the police investigate and let the truth come out. And I want Roy also to keep hand on his conscience and talk whether I am involved in this. Why should I be involved? For what reason? For what reason I should hit Roy?